I'm Brian Baker. I'm the president and owner of Baker's Waterproofing. Strong reputation, solid foundation. And it's not just a tagline, it's like something that we take serious pride in and means a lot to us. My dad is the original owner, and for probably about 19 years, he tried to do just about everything himself. After I graduated high school, I went on to college. I went to Pitt, and once I graduated, then I got moved into doing sales. I sold and kind of trained all the new guys that were coming in one at a time, and then in 2010, we did a little bit of a switch over where then I was going to manage the sales team. And then in 2012, took over ownership of the company. My dad, he retired on the last day of 2011. Being the leader of the company, and it's a little bit of a burden because I feel the pressure of I want to do my job well, because if I'm a poor leader, that's not good for anybody else. And I want everyone that's there to want to be there and enjoy being on the Bakers team and seeing it as a family. Of course, everybody wants to grow and be a bigger company and everything, but what's more important to me is I want to have the company that has great quality and great customer service and has an outstanding reputation. That's what's important to me more than what's our volume. But I think it starts with how you treat one another, employee to employee. And if you're treating one another well and being courteous and thinking of others, that will translate right on to who you deal with on a daily basis. We have an excellent management team in place that really they're the ones that they do the work. I feel it's more them than anything I really do. If you're someone that's in need of one of the services that we provide, I would really appreciate if we're given the opportunity. I feel that we're different. I feel that we'll do everything we can to do a good job for everybody. And we need every person that we work for to be delighted in what we did. I'm going to do everything I can to make you happy and satisfy and repair the issues that you used to have, and now you're so happy about it and wish you would have done it sooner, and now you're telling friends and family to call Bakers because they're the best.